There is nothing more important than safety when it comes to solar installations. That's why you need FireRaptor. FireRaptor is a solar panel rapid shutdown solution to 0 volts in case of fire or other emergency. The FireRaptor was created to shut down the solar panels in the event of fire, and in many countries, a solar panel rapid shutdown solution is required by law. The FireRaptor makes you safe in 3 ways. First, it gives you a manual emergency stop switch, which can be located anywhere inside or outside of your building. Second, if the temperature around your panel where the FireRaptor is located exceeds 85 degrees centigrade, 185 degrees Fahrenheit, the FireRaptor shuts down the system automatically. And third, if the electrical supply to your building is disconnected externally, the FireRaptor will automatically shut down the system. The FireRaptor is suitable for new and existing installations, is super easy to install, will work with any string inverter, and is really competitively priced so it won't break the bank. The FireRaptor takes your safety seriously. Contact your local IMO distributor for more information.